What do you want? Do you want one of these? We call these daddy chips. Is this what you want? Yeah? You guys could take the whole thing? You goof. Oh, he's trying. Oh, you want me to get it? Okay. Look at your forehead. Okay, I'll get it for you. Okay, say peas? Say peas. Say please. Oh, well, that's not good for them. You like daddy chips like everybody else? Hey, boys, when we said we were going to water the grass, I didn't mean we were going to water the boys, too. Why are we all wet?
Because we want people to subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, but it's too cold.
No, it's not.
And all these little wet baby footprints. Oh my goodness. You are right in there with them. You guys, you weren't supposed to get all wet. Now you're gonna be cold. It's like chilly this morning. I gotta go find you new clothes too. Like a swimming pool. We just can't wait for spring, can we? And you, little Bryson, you are just as much of a troublemaker as the others. That's right.
That's hot here,
Yeah, don't go in the grass. We're trying to water the grass because we're gonna get grass seed and have new grass grow.
I'm going to be to you.
No, we're not even supposed to play in the sprinkler.
Let's do a minute. Don't get that sorry. I'll put the water.
Go out there.
My turn, Dad. That's my turn.
He's trying to give it to you. See, he's trying to give it to you. How about we water another spot in the yard though? Did you water your tomatoes, Chris? Why don't you move and water someplace else, you guys? Come closer. That spot's got lots of water. Are you cold? Oh. Did you play with the water balloons? Do we all have controllers? Yeah, you got one too? Daxton's got one. You playing? Playing some Mario? You guys are cute. You got one? Yeah.
Mommy, do this.
What?
High five.
Hi, Beauty.
High five.
Okay, your hands look silly.
High
Okay.
five.
Good job. Love you. Hey, guess what? One more week and then school's over. And it's summertime and then we're gonna be vlogging a lot, aren't we? It's our summer adventures. What? We're gonna have all kinds of summer adventures together.
We're not supposed to be playing Mario.
Yep. We're gonna vlog lots of things. It's gonna be our summer adventures.
Can you also vlog me playing when it's my turn? Can you vlog me when it's my turn?
I might be able to. Tell me what you're playing. It's so cute though. Tell me. He's playing Storm Chasers and he made a tornado and he's got these cars that are chasing after the tornado.
But the tornado was that. But that was a beach ball.
Oh, a big ball was a tornado?
Yeah,
That's so cool.
Stole it.
And I'm not really sure what's going on with Dax. Dax, is that your hat? You are so cute too. Hey, last day of school tomorrow. Last day of school. Last day of
I'm
school.
gonna be in 4th grade.
You're gonna be in 1st grade, acting like a fool on the last day of school. We're so excited. What'd you find, Bryson? Yeah, hi. We're gonna start vlogging more. Have a great summer together. It's the first official day of Christmas.
No.
The first day of...
Summer break.
Oh, summer break. Oh, yes. So far, it's been kind of a lazy day. We played outside for a bit. Now we're eating some lunch. We've got some mac and cheese and some goldfish.
Hey, we
some-
watching the
Yeah, the baby's laying down with daddy. So he doesn't want...
Mario.
We-
Look at the picture frame.
Oh, the picture frame's cool.
Come look.
I will. Now, first tell me, why is the baby grumpy?
He didn't sleep. His mouth hurts.
Because he's getting teeth, so the baby's grumpy. Okay, now we want to look at this new picture frame. This is so cool. This picture frame, you email the pictures to the picture frame and they automatically pop up. Fabulous. It's hooked up to the internet. And so easy. So easy, huh? It does change. Yeah.
And
Well,
that's
we're-
3 foot.
3, oh yeah, for running. Yep, you got 3 feet for running.
Yeah, and you have to
To run a
5
lot.
miles
To get 1
20
foot.
laps.
That's crazy. 20 laps, 5 miles for 1 foot, and you got 3. So 5 times 3 is 15 miles. He ran 15 miles.
What?
That's how much he ran to get his 3 feet.
Mommy?
Look what has happened to our toy room.
It's a tent!
It's a tent, tunnel, maze kind of thing.
It's a tent!
Whoa, we've got them connected
I caught it, y'all. He got it.
by tunnels. There it goes that way, and that way, and then that way. And Bryson, he's just having a blast over there. Hi, Bryson. Hi, Bryson. I see you. And there's a tunnel there.
I'm over here.
And then Avery's here with this connection here. It is kind of crazy. The amount of things we've got. Well, it's perfect because it's gonna rain, and so now we've got a fun rainy day thing. I
Yeah.
don't think I'll see my children for the rest of the evening.
Dude. So it is raining outside. Look, it's raining. Yeah.
Okay, show the rain over here. Isn't that cool?
It's raining. It's raining sideways. Look, see? You know what? Oh, we should make some boats. And we can float them in the puddle. Let's go make some boats.
No.
Yeah, it's so much fun.
Look.
Wait, I'm going to show them the puddle.
Okay, well, don't zoom in quite so much. When did I tell you about the zoom in? There, that's better.
Look.
Come on, I'll make boats.
Look, guys. Okay. And look at over there. Oh, boy, it's getting close. Ooh, do you hear that? It's so noisy. Did you hear that, guys? God must have got a strike. Ooh, did you see that? I don't think he did. So that's a close. Oh, so that's close. And that's how close that looks to me. Oh, boy, it's close. You got a little thing over there. Just relaxing. Oh, and there's also some hay. Wow. Sorry guys, we have a low battery right now. Bye.
Oh, well, now you're sinking your boat.
Yeah, Mommy, it's not going anywhere.
Maybe I didn't make a very good one. Here, maybe we gotta start over here. Look, the water's kind of going this way. So maybe we're starting in the wrong spot. No, you gotta stay with me. Hey, we'll not get down. You look in your jammy jam.
Mommy, it's
When you
not
get
going
away.
anywhere.
Okay, well, put it on the whole point is to try and float it.
No, I'm gonna go on up for it. Bye, guys. Bye. I'm gonna go on the toilet. Bye, I'm going to the toilet. Look, he's actually there.
Oh, it's floating now.
I'm talking to you. Oh, man, dude.
Come show me Okay, Daxton, show me your boat. It's floating.
This is a little float.
No, Daxton, stay away from out there. Come back.
Mom, look at my boat.
That's
It's so good. It's a flood.
It's floating good. Look at that.
We was in the flood. We're in a flood. I want to never be in a flood. You're in a flood. Dude, literally a flood.
Yeah.
Mom, you're in a flood. Mom, you're in a flood. Oh, this is a flood.
That's pretty though. I love the rain.
You're in a flood.
Love the rain.
Mom, you're